आज आज आम सह अच्छा राज्य कांग्रेस नुआ प्रभारी चेला कुमार सर। चेला कुमार सर को आमर प्रश्न से सांगठनिक स्तर में कांग्रेस को गोटे नुआ बाट देवाक आसछंती। सर, यू केम टू ओडिशा एंड यू हैव गिवन ए स्टेटमेंट इन 2024 देयर विल बी ए कांग्रेस regime in the state. So if you see your political statement and if you analyze the political reality here, how you do that?
After interacting with the Congress leaders and after analyzing the achievements of the Congress and the failures of the BJD government and the BJP government both, I made up my mind. We have did only one mistake. That is, we have not properly marketed our goodwill to the people. That I will rectify the mistakes, our mistakes. Definitely, one by one, we will try to convince the younger generation, mostly because most of the younger generation is not aware of the developments of the state. So that and all we will establish to this thing. We will try to convince the young generation. I myself will meet the youngsters, groups by group. I will meet the students, I will meet the Adivasis, I will meet all sections of the people. I will start touring in the state. I will establish wherever I go. There is a history in Odisha. In Western Odisha was cornered. Nobody is looking after the Western Odisha in the last 21 years.
Sir, you are talking about marketing the Congress. Sir, if you see the reality, leaders are quitting the parties. There is no organizational structure. All organizational positions are now vacant. No DCC chief. So how you will stream all these things in the future, and how much time you will take?
See, tell me one political leader who has left the Congress with a difference of opinion with an ideology of the Congress. Tell me one political leader. Can anybody say that person has left the Congress because he has a difference of opinion with an ideology? It is not the ideology. It is the urge of earning money, swindling the public money. They are in the impression that, oh, Congress is not in power. So I cannot now illegally swindle the money of the public. There is only one opportunity after seeing 21 years of rampant corruption going on in the state administration. They found it very clear. Oh, the corruption was taking place right from the head to the village panchayat level. So that urge has forced them to join the BJD or BJP. We don't want that type of people. Congress is a mass party. We started it as a movement. That movement is for the benefit of the people, for the welfare of the people. So those who are with the ideology of the Congress, they will stay back in the Congress. Men may come, men may go. But Congress ideology will always be there. Our motto of serving the people will always there. That is more than enough. If someone has left, hundreds of young generation leaders will come and emerge. They will be the future of this state.
Sir, regarding the young generation, Rahul Gandhi is always giving priority to bring fresh blood into the Congress party. And if we see the state, more people, those more senior leaders are now occupying the position. There are differences of opinion between the young and old generations. Sir, how you will give priority to the young people in the state Congress?
That you will come to know in the course of time. See, Congress is a democratic organization. This is the only one political organization. There, the person who criticizes the high command, leader, also used to get a space in this organization. You won't able to see it in a BJD or in a BJP or in any other political party in this country. So that is the strength of the Congress party. There are youngsters. We know how to place them. We will properly place them. Definitely Congress will come back in 2024.
So previous February, he mentioned that the leaders at the age of 40, they will get priority in the DCC level. Sir, what is your plan?
See, age is not a factor. There is no point in telling about youth. If a person at the age of 80 or 85, but if his mindset is 30 or 35, he is a youth. If a person with 30-year-old and if his mindset is like a 70 or 80, how can I consider him as a youth? So we will take everybody into confidence.
So whom you taking more seriously, BJP or BJD in the state?
How can you ask this question? Both of them are the two sides of the coin. We are against the coin, that's all, that coin, particular coin.
So how far you are confident to win the election?
I am very confident. 2024, definitely Congress will come back to power.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
After 3 months, the media friends also will start realizing that.
So there will be a revive in PCC and maybe change in GA?
No, it is our internal matter. I don't want to discuss it in the media.
आम सह थिले ओडिशार प्रभारी चेल्ला कुमार जे कहूले कांग्रेस स्ट्राटेजी उपरे यंग लोक मानकु चांस दिया जिवो ओडिशारे गोटे नुआ कांग्रेस आसीबो एवं कांग्रेस जो वार्ता रही जो सफलतार काम करिछि कांग्रेस समय रे कांग्रेस शासनमल रे जो विकास धारा रही से सब लोकों पाखरे पहुँचाइब एवं 2024 रे कांग्रेस शासन ओडिशारे आसीबो बोली चेल्ला कुमार मंतव्य दैछंती। कैमरामैन गुंडीचा सह रुद्रनारायण दास, न्यूज़ 7।